In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, look for the login button and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google to quickly authenticate your account. If you usually use another sign-in method, that works too. The goal is simply to get into your workspace so we can set up the task. After you're in, locate the Create button, usually at the top of your screen, and select it. From the menu that appears, choose Task. This opens a new task window where you can name your task. Type in a clear, action-oriented title so it's instantly recognizable later. You can add details like a brief description or an assignee if you already know who will own it. But the key focus here is turning it into a recurring task. Next, click the Due Date field to open the date picker. This is where the magic happens. In the date options, find and click Set Recurring. You'll see several scheduling choices. Choose Recur Forever if you want this task to continue indefinitely with no end date. This is perfect for routines like weekly reports, monthly billing, or daily check-ins. If you ever need to stop it later, you can return and change this setting at any time. Now select the date or interval that defines when the recurrence should start running. Pick the day that makes sense for your schedule. For example, a specific day of the week or a particular date in the month. This selection tells ClickUp when to generate each new instance of the task. Double-check the start date to avoid accidental backlogs, especially if you work across time zones. When your recurrence details look right, click Save to lock in the schedule. You'll be taken back to the task window with your recurrence now applied. Finish by clicking Create Task. ClickUp will create the first instance and automatically queue the next ones based on your settings. To confirm everything is set correctly, open the calendar or date picker again and navigate to the date you chose. For example, click on the 20th. You should see the task appear there, indicating that your recurrence is active. If anything looks off, you can edit the task and adjust the recurrence without starting over. That's it. You've created a recurring task in ClickUp. With this in place, you'll never have to recreate the same reminder again, and your routine work will stay on track automatically.